Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different question and their answer. So our today's question is the factors that affect a company's SQ rating include aviation, the size of annual base pay increases, reject rates, expenditures for best practice, training, whether planet upgrade, aviation and has been installed Beyond the number of performance features built onto branded models styles annually, the durability of its athletics shows how much best practice training the average production worker has had, and planet reject rates CFN whether planet upgrades C has been installed a company's cumulative spending for TQM 6 Sigma quality control programs and expenditures for new styling features per model duration how welcome compensated its workforce is whether shoes are produced with standard materials or superior materials, the durability and quality of the footwear, and how many models styles are included in its product line, whether materials are produced in-house or outsourced, overall footwear quality, how much is spent to inspect newly produced pairs, and avoid shipping defective shows the size of the incentives paid to production workers. The correct answer of the question is C option. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.